Happy Monday, guys. Good morning. So I got out here, not as early as I wanted to, but earlier today, this morning, I'm getting my workout in. Walked baby boy to school and keep going from there. And I got about, I think, 20 minutes left in my workout. So listen, I just want to encourage you guys. Today is Monday. It's a whole new day. It's not all Monday. It's not all Monday, whatever they be saying. I don't know what they be saying. Like, cause I stopped agreeing with that stuff years back. But listen, today's a new day, and this is the day that the Lord has made, and I shall rejoice.